This is a 2005 GMC Yukon for when safety, size, and space are of importance. It features a 6.0-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, power-adjustable driver pedals, a sunroof, heated seats, an air suspension, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a DVD player, a premium audio system, a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, driver's side impact airbag, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Best Bet and Independence Auto Sales is located at 15431 Highway 99 in Linwood. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.